Pressure here, deep breath in for me.
All right, John, same as before. Deep breath in for me. Let it go. Here we go. Yeah, good.
Ooh.
All right, Mrs. Wilkins, just relax. Lining up the release now. And let it go. You okay?
Poke out like a turtle. Posture's a mess, son.
All right, I'm just gonna use a little bit of pressure with this keg to open up the mid-back. Deep breath in for me.
Okay.
And out.
Breathe in and relax. Here we go.
And then every time I turn it to the left, it just pinches right up in here.
Got it.
All right, you're gonna feel a small pressure on your back.